I make a living by making faceless YouTube videos using AI tools. And I'm going to tell you how I make high-quality faceless YouTube videos in no time, all without editing. We're going to need two tools to do this. We're going to use ChatGPT to write our scripts, and then we're going to use Pictory to turn our script into compelling faceless YouTube videos. Step 1. Writing a script with ChatGPT. To streamline the script writing process, we've been relying on a phenomenal tool called ChatGPT. This tool has been an invaluable addition to our content creation workflow, helping us generate scripts swiftly and efficiently. It's November 2023 as I'm writing this, and if you're not already acquainted with ChatGPT, you must have been living under a rock. Suffice it to say, ChatGPT is an excellent tool for content creators thanks to its knowledge and creativity that can assist with brainstorming ideas, generating content, and answering questions. Click the link in the description to follow along. You'll need to have a topic in order to write a script with ChatGPT, so I'll assume you already have one. Let's say our topic is Top 10 Household Pets in America 2024. I would go to ChatGPT and prompt it, please give me the top 10 household pets in America, and it would give me a list. This list looks pretty reasonable to me. Some of you are thinking that my next prompt would be to tell ChatGPT to write a script about the top 10 household pets in America. And you'd be wrong. ChatGPT has a maximum output of about 700 words at a time. That would result in a 3 to 4 minute script, which is just short of half the duration I'm looking for. YouTube allows multiple ad breaks in videos that are over 8 minutes long. Keeping that in mind, I would prompt ChatGPT with, create an intro for an article about the top 10 household pets in America based on this list. It will output an intro that's roughly 150 words in length. Then I'll prompt it to explain where number blank is ranked and why in 150 words. You'll do this for every pet on the list, giving you a script that can be made into a 10-minute video. Frequently asked questions. Let's address some questions you might have. Judging from a recent poll on my channel, some of you are unsure if you can make money on YouTube from AdSense. Let me reassure you, yes, you can create YouTube videos using only AI and make money online from Google AdSense. Yes, that includes using AI voices. Yes, that includes GPT written scripts. Yes, that includes AI video. And yes, the big YouTuber who told you that you can't was misinformed and is probably just a paid actor. The possibility of monetizing AI-powered YouTube content is endless. Some of you might wonder if you can get the software for free. I know that's you, Tom, from Shaftesbury, England. And yes, you can use my link in the description to try Pictory for yourself for free, no credit card required. But you really should consider getting a subscription if you're serious about making a living on YouTube. I'll tell you how to save 30% on your subscription later in the video. Step 2. Pasting the script to Pictory. While this script is already packed with valuable insights, it's essential to understand that we can always expand upon it in the future. But for now, let's proceed with this script by copying its content, as we're about to embark on a creative journey with Pictory, exploring its features and functionalities to demonstrate how it can transform a script into a visually captivating video. Click the link in the description to follow along. We've got an intriguing script in hand, centered around Top 10 Household Pets in America 2024. Let's take a moment to explore Pictory's homepage. Alright guys, want to turn your words into a killer video? Pictory is your ace. There are 4 content creation options, but we're going to focus on script to video. Just click proceed, drop your script into it, and bam! It flips your text into any video style you need. Educational, listicles, how-tos, you name it. More of a hands-on guy? Pictory lets you build from the ground up. But here's the deal. Using that first option where you paste your script, that's the real MVP. It's how we roll, transforming our ChatGPT scripts into pure video gold. Simple, slick, and straight up effective. Let's get right into Pictory's creative lab. Welcome to a world brimming with slick templates. Pictory's not just about presets, it's your digital canvas. You get to pick a vibe that resonates with your message and then run wild with it. Tweak the fonts, splash on your color, drag your text around until it's screaming your unique brand. For our run-through, we chose the template called Party because I feel like it vibes with our animal theme. And here's the kicker. As you move along, you can fine-tune every bit. Pictory hands you the reins to your creativity so you can shape up a standout video that'll pop off the screen. Let's make some noise and make our mark in this digital jungle. So we'll begin by selecting this template, clicking on Select. Next, you can choose your video's aspect ratio, whether it's the standard 16:9 for YouTube or 9:16 for platforms like YouTube Shorts. For this video, we're going with the classic 16:9 aspect ratio, offering a versatile format suitable for a wide range of platforms. A quick click on 16:9, and now we eagerly await Pictory's magic as it takes our script and transforms it into a captivating video, showcasing its features that streamline the video creation process. This shouldn't take long at all. Pictory brings the script to life by breaking it down into smaller, more manageable scenes. In total, we have a few scenes that make up our video. Each scene is a piece of the visual puzzle on the right side of the screen, offering a sneak peek into the captivating journey Pictory has set in motion. This feature allows for a seamless transition between different parts of the video, maintaining viewer engagement and interest throughout. And here's where the real fun begins. We'll get into the process of refining each scene, ensuring that our video flows seamlessly and captivates the audience's attention. Pictory provides a user-friendly interface for scene customization, allowing us to edit text, adjust image placements, and fine-tune various design elements to create a polished and engaging video. Pictory is a treasure trove of elements, allowing you to add stickers, GIFs, and emojis to infuse your videos with personality and charm. These elements are particularly delightful for platforms like YouTube Shorts or Instagram, where that extra touch of flair can make all the difference in capturing your audience's attention and leaving a lasting impression. Let's explore another crucial aspect, adding background music and audio. Note the audio button on the left of the screen. Pictory provides you with access to an extensive library of over 15,000 tracks, spanning various genres and moods. The tool has already added background audio to our video, enhancing its overall appeal. However, we can easily customize it to our liking, adjusting the volume, tempo, and style to match the tone of our video. Pictory's audio capabilities allow us to create a video that not only looks great but sounds great too, ensuring an immersive and enjoyable viewing experience for our audience. Pictory also offers the opportunity to add voiceovers to your video. You have the choice of using built-in voiceover options or uploading your own voiceovers, adding a personal touch to your content. This is normally where I tell viewers that most text-to-video platforms don't have great voices and they'd be better off going to 11 Labs and getting a voice from there. Pictory has taken that criticism and has now integrated 51 11 Labs voices into their premium voiceover options. I think a female voice might be the best choice for our script. Let's see what Abby sounds like.
The only thing to do with good advice is to pass it on. It is never of any use to oneself.
Not too shabby, Abby, but let's give Amanda a try.
Sometimes it is better to lose and do the right thing than to win and do the wrong thing.
Nice, but not quite what I'm looking for. How about giving Bella a go?
Before you put on a frown, make absolutely sure there are no smiles available.
Yes, Bella sounds most like what I have in mind. So I'll select Bella and click Apply to use Bella's voice for the entire video. You can adjust the voiceovers, sync them with the video clips, and even upload your own if the need arises, giving you complete control over the audio aspect of your video. Once you've meticulously customized your video's audio and visuals, it's time to refine the video's flow. Return to the story section, where you can reorder scenes, adjust their duration, and create a seamless narrative that keeps your audience engaged from start to finish. Pictory's intuitive interface simplifies the process of arranging scenes and controlling the pacing of your video, ensuring that it tells a compelling story and delivers your message effectively. Then, you're ready to generate your video. Please note that the rendering process typically takes a few minutes, depending on the complexity and length of your video. This step is where Pictory brings all your creative elements together, transforming your script into a polished and visually captivating video that's ready to be shared with the world. Once the rendering process is complete, you have the opportunity to preview your video. This allows you to ensure that your creative vision has been fully realized, and you can make any final adjustments as needed. Pictory's preview feature provides a final quality check, ensuring that your video looks and sounds exactly as you intended. Let's have a look.
Cats claim the second spot on the roster of America's beloved household pets. Their allure lies in a blend of self-reliance and quiet affection.
At this stage, your video is ready to shine. Pictory offers you several convenient options for downloading the transcript, managing projects, and sharing your creation effortlessly. Pictory's user-friendly interface streamlines the entire process, taking you from script to a polished video that's ready to be shared with your audience. You can also export your video in various formats, making it easy to tailor your content to different platforms and audiences. This demonstration has barely scratched the surface of Pictory's capabilities, but it's a solid introduction to the power of this video creation tool. If you found this tutorial helpful and you're excited to explore Pictory further, you'll find the link below that grants you access to this remarkable tool. Don't forget to use the coupon code DEBTBUSTERS to enjoy an exclusive 30% discount on your purchase, making it even more accessible and cost-effective for content creators of all levels. Even you, Tom from Shaftesbury, England. Now that you know how to make lightning-fast videos with Pictory, you may be wondering how to use them to make passive income. Well, I've got you covered. Check out our previous video, where we give you everything you need to make passive income on your Faceless YouTube channel. Happy creating!